Everybody, happy new year. Sorry, I'm sick over here, but it's okay because I'm waiting for parts for some amplifiers and a payment for another, and I have more on the way. But once the parts get here, I get them done within 1 to 2 business days, depending on when the parts arrive that day. Sometimes they come late in the day, sometimes they come early. So I'm waiting on the payment on this one right here, and the 811H. Waiting on parts. 922. I'm waiting on parts. Look at this score. I might sell some, but you know, I have a motto: when you see parts that are a good deal, snatch them up. So these are 1500 puff, 7.5 kV high energy corp caps. Good for plate blockers in the SP220s and SP200 and some other smaller amplifiers. Wait till you see the video on this. This needs a lot of work. Okay, so I also got my hands on a whole bunch of 1000 puff ones. Same ratings. Okay, so it's the new year and I have so much stuff that I've accumulated. I want to free up one of my rooms to do something else with it. It's just I'm sitting on so much stuff that I decided to start listing stuff on eBay. My eBay name is Amp Repair Guy. I hate to see amps go to the dump. I have a lot of parts amps, and certain amps I'm not going to service anymore, and certain parts out of certain amps I do still service that I have parts amps for. I never need to change, so I'll be listing the parts on eBay so people can bring other amps back to life. No longer working on FL2100Bs. They're just not worth it. They require so much labor that it's just not worth it with everything else I'm working on, and certain parts I can't get. So here's some of the parts I pulled out of one. I'll be listing those on eBay. It's just a matter of wanting more room here and seeing the parts go to places that they can be used, and not letting them go to the dump. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of. I've had people contact me over oil-filled capacitors. I listed a bunch. Well, not a bunch. Some of them. I'll show you them. They're on my website under oil-filled capacitors for sale. My website's amprepairguy.com. I know I always say it like a million times, but it's on the left-hand side, all the way at the bottom of the menu. You can select. There are a bunch of cool pictures on there too. So I'm gonna, I'll show you that, and then I'm gonna get going. I have to rest my voice a little bit. It just really sucks. But as far as that, I don't feel too bad. But okay, so I'll show you that, and then I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, so here you can see they're all GE dielectric low ESR broadcast caps. Great capacitors, but I won't be using these in the multi-band amps I'll be building. They won't fit. They're just too big. So, but they're great for people who have a larger cabinet. Like I said, they're on my website, and I'm not selling any tubes at the moment. So please don't ask about tubes or relays or other certain things. I have a huge tote full of Potter and Brumsfield relays. I'm gonna start listing them. I'll sell them in like lots, lots of 5 or whatever. Just the sales have to be worth it for me to make, for the time to box up and bring to the shipper, So, but I just have an overwhelming amount of stuff. If you look at one of my other videos, you'll see that whole room, and I have stuff out in the garage, and I just have a lot of stuff, lots of stuff that I just don't need. I've been hoarding a lot. Just lots of stuff. So, thanks for watching, and I will be back soon. I should be back this week. It depends on when the parts get here. Things have slowed down. People are doing, I think Ameritron's doing their inventory, so they're not even open. I don't think those parts have been shipped. So anyway, thanks for watching. Phone number is 203-892-4119. It's best to text me, and if you're interested in capacitors, I'm not going to list other values I have. Just the ones on my website are the ones that are available right now. I will add more when I have time. So, catch y'all later. 73.